Wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. If you could have the money and the fame, have a couple planes in your name, or popping a champagne, would you buy a big house and a couple of whips, and cash a couple of your chips for a closet of kicks? I'd have every Jordan ever made, so every day I could have a different pair. I wanted to be displayed, I would have my bed 10 times bigger than me, and a Hawaiian punch fountain that's bigger than deeds. I would buy a golf course and a court for all sports, host the Final Four while I'm eating 4 course, romping outdoors, playing polo in a Porsche. And of course it ain't a race when you own every horse. I'd have a guest house for the guys with me, up in Shy City where we sit in sky pretty. I'm just trying to catch a flight and make it in time. You could say I got a fly state of mind. Yeah, I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. Yeah, I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. I'm talking about that jet life. I be working for that jet life. Go to LA, I'm back on that one night, trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life. Working for that jet life. Go to LA, I'm back on that one night, trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life. I wanna wake up to a butler with a joint roll for me to help me head upwards. While I clear my head, I wanna discover that Natalie Portman is under my covers. Pull a blank check, get a water slide from my room to the pool, and I ain't worried about school. I'll take a paycheck and buy a couple of A's so my grades will amaze. Looking like I was Harvard made, sexy made, yes. And I got places to be and seen in some magazine, rolling in a limousine. I got people to do, a couple things to see. Kick it at a mansion, partying with Charlie Sheen. I'd hit the studio with Kanye, make a couple hits while we sippin' Bombay. Make another trip to kick it with Dr. Dre, then get hella jet lag from flying the whole day. Yeah, I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. Yeah, I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. See, I'm talking about that jet life. I be working for that jet life. Go to LA, I'm back on that one night, trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life. Working for that jet life. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, working for that jet life. Yeah, I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. Yeah, I just wanna blow up in the limelight, thinking about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life.
Thank you. Yeah. She caught my eye as she was walking by. Cute face, great smile with some big brown eyes. Type of girl that's used to guys blowing kisses at her. But I didn't know what to say, so I just whistled at her. Like yeah. Damn, baby, look at you go. From head to toe, you're a 10. Have I seen you before? I'd love to talk, I just don't know how to go about it. So instead I had to go and write a song about it. How you doing? Tell me what your name is. A simple conversation that's usually quick and painless, but I'm sweating bullets, shaking in my shoes. The angel on my shoulder says I got nothing to lose. But girl, can you let me some of your confidence? You'd be a billionaire if currency was compliments. High heels, even higher self-esteem, turning heads, breaking necks when she step up on the scene. But wait, hold up, I think she's walking my way. Come on, man, you got this. Today is the day. I know you're nervous, dude, but don't show it. Will you finally make a move or will you blow it? She's getting closer now, she's getting closer, looking like a supermodel right out of a poster. Type of girl that's used to guys blowing kisses at her. But I didn't know what to say, so I just whistled at her. Like yeah, so I whistled at her. Like yeah, same story, just a different day. Got my inhaler with me, she take my breath away. My old man used to prep me with some pickup lines, but when I see you, not a single one come to mind. Man, I thought I had at least a little game. All this trouble and I haven't even got a name. Yo, Hitch, where you at? I need your help, dude. This chick is playing with my brain like a GameCube. She got me feeling like a kid again. You'll be my Lois Lane, I'll be your Superman. Yeah, but maybe first I should grow a pair and find the courage to come over there. So, here I go, yeah, I think I'm ready. Rehearsed it in the mirror 50 times already, but now I'm thinking that I should've done it 51. Cause all I wanna do is turn around and run. But I'm getting closer now, I'm getting closer. She's like a supermodel right out of a poster. Used to guys blowing kisses at her, but I just couldn't find the words, so I whistled at her. Like yeah, so I whistled at her. Like damn, baby, look at you go. From head to toe, you're a 10. Have I seen you before? I'd love to talk, I just don't know how to go about it. So instead I had to go and write a song about it. Damn, baby, look at you go. From head to toe, you're a 10. Have I seen you before? I'd love to talk, I just don't know how to go about it. So instead I wrote a song about it. Whistle, baby. Yeah, so I whistled at her. Like she was walking by, cute face, great smile with some big brown eyes. Type of girl that's used to guys blowing kisses at her. But I didn't know what to say, so I just whistled at her. Cause she caught my eye as she was walking by, cute face, great smile with some big brown eyes. Type of girl that's used to guys blowing kisses at her. But I didn't know what to say, so I just whistled at
I thought I was strong, I thought I was tough, but I guess I was wrong, cause I was burnt by your touch. I've never been afraid of heights, cause I've never fallen, but you made me fall so hard I hit the ground and now I'm crawling. When you're near I'm stuck on my knees, like I've been struck down, I'm so weak. I can only stand up when you're not around, cause you lift me off my feet, and your face is all I see, your aroma is all I breathe. You take me underneath your spell and leave me deceased. I'm stronger the farther apart, getting weaker the closer you are. You're my light but I want the darkness, cause I don't wanna see you make me heartless. You just reach in there and rip it out my fucking chest. I'm obsessed with you when you're around, I be down on the ground in a goddamn mess. You're making me feel like a grade school girl by the way I'm crushing, rushing to you, blushing, thinking there's something to say, but out comes nothing, nothing. And right about now, that's what I'm feeling like. You make me weak when you're around, you're my kryptonite. Kryptonite, kryptonite. You're my kryptonite, kryptonite. You're my kryptonite, kryptonite. kryptonite, kryptonite. Whenever you're close to me, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I don't know what I'm supposed to be, and I don't have a goddamn clue. I can't stop thinking about the feeling when you come into my view. Bittersweet, filled with heat, and my heart just beats so strong, but I feel so weak, feel so beat, so fatigued, tired from all these things I've seen, all the same dreams and they never come true. So much pain when I think of you. These battles ain't subtle, I can't handle the struggle. I've had enough of this puzzle. Now I'm just a mole with no muscle. I don't know why, but every time you come around, I lose control. But gradually, you cripple me until my whole backbone goes.